nuances or behavior that you kind of exhibit is going to be sincerely missed. I don't know how we'll eventually survive, without a dash of Anita.
I'm leaving my child, that's a big thing. And for Rohit to support me through it, I think it's amazing. आज जो देख रही है वही समझ पाएगी कि how it feels to leave your child and go. It's heartbreaking to another level.
Divyanka got more credit, but Anita deserved it more. Hi guys, this is Anusha Pujari and you're watching Filmygyan. You know it's someone special sitting with you. जब आपकी ये जो smile है वो नहीं रुकती. Anita Hassanandani, welcome to Filmygyan.
Thank you so
कैसी
much.
आप?
बढ़िया. आप कैसे हो?
मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ. ये TV show and reality show दोनों में काफ़ी फ़र्क होता है. We've seen you before doing a reality show, but ये वाला काफ़ी अलग है. No urban facilities, cooking, घर का माहौल. But amid all this, how घरेलू are you?
अभी पता चलेगा ये शो करके. हम एक्चुअली बॉम्बे में रह के वी जस्ट गेट सो कंफर्टेबल विद द लग्जरीज. As much as I enjoy being at home, I don't enjoy cooking or cleaning. बॉम्बे ने तो आपको इतना बिगाड़ दिया that for everything you have help. So it's going to be challenging, it's going to be difficult, but also exciting. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है ये एक ऐसा शो है जहाँ पर आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलेगा. आई मीन अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑल द कुकिंग एंड क्लीनिंग, आई थिंक गांव वालों की जो लाइफस्टाइल है उसे देखने का मौका मिलेगा, उनके नज़रिए से ज़िंदगी को देखने का मौका मिलेगा. एंड आई फील आई विल कम बैक वेरी मच like very content because I'll get to see so much in the world.
गाँव द चूल्हा कभी देखा है अपने ऐसा नज़दीक से? Have you ever tried doing anything?
In fact, मेरे घर पे अगर like प्याज कटता है या फॉर एग्जाम्पल चारों गैस ऑन है तो माई आई स्टार्ट टू वाटर. सो आई डोंट नो हाउ आई एम गोना हैंडल इट, आई डोंट नो हाउ आई एम गोना मैनेज इट, बट दैट्स द फन.
बट यू एज अ पर्सन, आप whenever you be oral desi, right? तो जब भी आप खाते हैं, are you the one who will prefer hands या फिर आप you will go for the fork and the spoon one? कैसे आप?
आई थिंक आई एम देसी दैट वे. राइस तो मुझे चम्मच से अगर मैं खाती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है मेरा पेट ही नहीं भरता. आई थिंक हाथ से खाने का मज़ा ही कुछ और है. यू ईट बेटर, यू ईट वेल. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो मैरिड टू अ साउथ इंडियन जहाँ कर्ड राइस मतलब चम्मच से खाओ तो इट्स not nice at all. So I enjoy the desi way, but also like because I'm a city girl and born and brought up in Bombay, whenever you're going out and whenever you're with people, you end up only using the fork and spoon, especially in front of the camera. You would want to do that. अब मुझे नहीं पता है कि वहाँ गाँव में जाके what am I going to opt for, but I'm excited to see how it all shapes up.
बट मुझे सच्ची बताओ, लाइक वी हैव वेरी मच ऑफ अ बहु सेंट्रिक शोज, राइट? तो एंड यू हैव ऑल्सो वर्क क्लोजली इतना. क्या टीवी सीरियल एक्चुअली हेल्प करता है फॉर यू टू बिकम अ वेरी गुड बहू?
हाल फिलहाल तो आई एम द बैड बहू बिकॉज आई हैव डन ये है मोहब्बतें जिसमें नेगेटिव थी. आई हैव डन सुमन इंदौरी जिसमें महा नेगेटिव थी. सो मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि कि जैसा टेलीविज़न पे बहू पोर्ट्रे होती है वो नेसेसरली वैसी हो, या जैसी बड़ी भाभी या विलन पोर्ट्रे होती है ज़रूरी है कि वो वैसी हो या ना हो. आई थिंक रियल लाइफ में कुछ अलग ही होता है, लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स टीवी में आपको घर में क्या क्या करते हैं या लाइक व्हाट आर द थिंग्स यू डू इन द किचन, वो एक आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिल जाता है.
बट आप कैसी बहू है लाइक इन रियल लाइफ?
आई थिंक वो मेरी मदर इन लॉ बेटर रिप्लाई दे पाएगी, बट आई फील आई एम अ गुड इनफ बहू. आई मेक श्योर कि जब भी वो यहाँ पर हो, मैं जो भी उनकी चाह हो खाना खाने खुद नहीं बनाती, लेकिन अपने हाउस हेल्प को बोलती हूँ कि जो भी मम्मी को चाहिए आप वो बनाइए. सो आई थिंक आई डू माई बेस्ट. एंड ऑल्सो द फैक्ट दैट Rohit and my mom-in-law, my mother, they have such a good relationship. So I think the credit definitely has to go to the bahu.
Yeah, and Anita, do you have any desi hack? Like whenever you are working and then whenever you're going home, back home, तो ऐसा कुछ है कि like समझो Rohit and Aarav are doing something या घर उलट पुलट हो गया, आप कैसे ठीक करते हो उस चीज़ को?
Well, that way तो मुझे थोड़ा है OCD, फटफट like उतना तो मम्मी ने सिखाया ही है कि घर को कैसे साफ करे. तो I quickly I'll clean it. Yeah, for example, if Rohit and Aarav make a mess, तो फटाफट से I can clean it. Like the basic things I think I can take care of.
And Anita, we have something really special for you. And now we
Okay.
have planned this. I really hope this just makes your day. We have a message.
Okay.
Okay, an audio message.
So, Anita, I just got to know that you're at this little event. So I just thought I'll just say some words that come to the top of my head. Right. So, obviously, last few days before you kind of take off on a very long and I'm hoping a great journey. So here's a little pep talk, as you expect from me all the time, right? Number one, you got to pack that smile, right? Cameras to love it. I love it. Everybody loves it. So definitely have that smile. Pack it right away. Uh, Obviously, it doesn't. I don't need to tell you this, but you have to be yourself, like you always are. Sincerity will blow them over, right? The one that you carry. And remember that you're a star. People have seen you on TV for decades. They love you, adore you, they literally worship you. So just keep that in mind. So do whatever is right all the time, right? Whatever you think is right, please follow that. Follow your heart, because I think your intuition is perfect all the time. And you know that. But most importantly, you have to go crazy. You have to try everything, right? And these times would never come back. I mean, such a great opportunity to try something that otherwise, like people like you and I or anybody wouldn't ever get. So I think this show is going to be like a revelation for you, and it's going to be a game changer, a life changer, hopefully. So don't miss out on anything. Try everything. Give it your all. And obviously, don't worry about Aarav. Father, son, times are just going to be crazy and mad. A lot of Sundays are going to happen. Every day is going to be a Sunday. He's going to be spoiled to the core.
Oh God, now
might
that's
not miss
scary
you
for
that
me.
much. I'm just kind of assuming. I'm just kidding. But reality check, yaar. We will miss you. The house would be very empty without you. Your face when I wake up, or every day before you and is next to me, that face I'm going to miss like crazy. You checking on me and everyone to see if they've eaten or they're fine, or just checking on my mother. Just smaller caring nuances or behavior that you kind of exhibit is going to be sincerely missed. I don't know how we'll eventually survive, without a dash of Anita in our daily schedules. But let that not deter you from the adventure that lies ahead, baby. You need to stack up zillions of stories from the show and come back and tell us all. So, just 2 words for it: kill it and be yourself, baby. I love you to the core.
This is literally the sweetest message. It shows how much he cares for you.
Yeah, I think I'm very lucky to have a supportive husband. Normally I'm leaving my child. That's a big thing. And for Rohit to support me through it, I think it's amazing, and I really appreciate it, and I think I'm very lucky. एंड मुझे उनके संडेज का डर लग रहा है क्योंकि वो एवरी संडे आरव जो मांगता है उसको देता है, बीट आइस, बीट कैंडीज, बीट चॉकलेट्स, एंड आई एम लाइक डोंट डू दैट. ही इज लाइक इट्स ओके, वंस अ वीक ही शुड बी अलाउड एवरीथिंग. एंड नाउ दिस वॉइस नोट हैज स्कैर्ड मी कि पता है नहीं वो आरू को क्या क्या खिलाने वाला है हर रोज़. बट आई एम श्योर दे गोना हैव अ ब्लास्ट, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई एम गोना मिस देम लाइक क्रेजी. मैंने आरू के बिना, रोहित के बिना, लाइक आई हैव नॉट स्टेड इवन फॉर लाइक 2 days, सो इट्स बिग. But hopefully this big decision is a big game changer in my life, and I hope that the show does well. That's all.
आप यू सेड राइट, आप इतने टाइम तक अपनी फैमिली से दूर नहीं रहे, सो इट इज़ डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम, बट हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज़ फॉर यू?
You can see, अब सिर्फ 2 महीने के लिए जा रही हूँ, ऐसे लग रहा है कि पता नहीं कितने सालों के लिए जा रही हूँ. It's going to be so challenging, and as a mother I think एक माँ जो देख रही है वही समझ पाएगी कि it's how it feels to leave your child and go. It's heartbreaking to another level. लेकिन I also feel that as a mother हम हमारे बच्चों के लिए कोई हमसे मांगता नहीं है, but still we give it our all, and we let go of what we want, and हमारे moms ने भी हमारे लिए किया है. So मुझे ऐसे लगा ये एक ऐसी opportunity है which I want to take up, and I'm passionate about what I do. So I thought कि it's okay if you prioritize yourself and if you feel this show is good for you, it's okay to take it up. And यही मौका है रोहित को to be one up and take care of Aarav. I'm sure he's going to do brilliantly, and I'm going to miss Aarav like crazy and miss Rohit like crazy and miss being home. But it's just 2.5 months and I'll come back emotionally stronger, and I'm pretty sure that Aarav and Rohit ka bond also will be way stronger. So it's going to be a life-changing thing for all of us, because it's whatever decision I've made, it's a very difficult one.
When you had Aarav, there was a break, and then वहाँ से to sort of come back, वो phase आपके लिए कितना difficult था?
बहुत difficult था, as a mother मैं ही नहीं चाहती थी कि immediately I get back. तो जब मैं तैयार थी, that's when I stepped in. And like लोग कहते हैं कि बच्चा होने के बाद instantly you can get back, but that's not true. I think not only in our industry, सिर्फ acting में ही नहीं, I think जब आप एक माँ बनते हो एक setback होता ही है, एक तो mom guilt आ जाता है, आपको उतने घंटे काम नहीं करने हैं. Then also people look at you कि okay अब तो माँ बन गई है, अब तो कर नहीं पाएगी, or people just assume. So it is challenging, it's difficult, but if you have the will, if you have the faith, and if you're willing to give your 100%, you can always bounce back.
And I feel Aarav will love watching you whenever he see the show, to see your mama in her very own real raw self, he will love it.
And I also feel when he grows up, he will appreciate that whatever we did, it's something that people have to move on and get back to their lives, and I think that will make him happy, because as a human being ज़रूरी होता है कि आप अपने लिए भी आप जो चाहते हो आप उसे achieve and आप उसे wholeheartedly करो.
Right. And talking about industry, यहाँ पे काफ़ी bonds है जो बहुत cherish किए गए हैं. One of the bond is you and Divyanka. जब से आप लोगों ने साथ में काम किया, people really from the bottom of their core, they really love your bond. आप लोगों को क्या लगता है ऐसा strongest point क्या है that really worked out for you?
I think ये है मोहब्बतें as a show was beautifully written. हर character इतना बारीकी से लिखा गया था, I think, which is really missing on TV when I see it. And as far as the bond goes, I think हम जब action बोलते ही, like we just get into our characters so beautifully, and we try to enjoy even when we're not, like होता है ना कि आप cut when the camera goes off. There's this amazing friendship, amazing bond between all of us, and I think that is what makes the bond special.
But now also, do you all get time to sort of catch up or anything?
Not much. Actually, I'm fond of Divyanka, but we've never been that close. So I'm very, very close to Surbhi. We meet more often. I think Divyanka and me, we got along on set, off set. But I think वो busy है अपने life में, मैं busy हूँ, आरू, and anyway मुझे लगता है कि बच्चा होने के बाद आपकी life एक अलग ही turn ले लेती है, and then people who stay by, वो समझ जाते हैं कि अच्छा ठीक है, she's busy, and then whenever you're ready to bounce back to your friendship, they're always there for you.
Right. We have 2 segments. One is the hashtag show. I'll give you names and आपको फटफट एक hashtag देना उनके लिए.
Okay.
The first is your husband Rohit.
Mine.
Aarav.
Hashtag heartbeat.
Divyanka Tripathi.
Sweetest.
Surbhi.
Hashtag bestie.
Tejasvi Prakash.
Hashtag Nagin.
Aditi Bhatia.
Sweet 16 forever.
Karan
Like
Patel.
वो मेरे लिए हमेशा एक छोटी सी बच्ची रहेगी.
type से. Karan Patel.
Gossip monker.
Gossip.
Yeah, he loves to gossip.
Siddharth Shukla.
Hashtag forever loved.
Ekta Kapoor.
Family.
And give an hashtag for you.
For now, hashtag Churiya Chali Gaon.
Yes, and the next segment is what the comments. है ना? We have filtered out some comments from your post.
Okay.
So the first is Anita जी आपको देखकर लगता है कि time reverse में चल रहा है.
That is cute. I think it's a great compliment. हम actors इतनी मेहनत करते हैं on ourselves, so it's always nice जब लोग ऐसे प्यारे प्यारे comments लिखते हैं.
संतूर मॉमी.
Oh my God, that's cute too. In fact, पूरे करियर में I always thought that I would, वो एक ad मुझे करनी थी क्योंकि कुछ brands ऐसे हैं where you feel you want to be a part of. This was one of that, so it feels nice to get that tag.
But share a mantra कि कैसे you can look evergreen.
Drink lots of water and stay happy.
The last is Divyanka got more credit, but Anita deserved it more.
I think we all actors work hard and we all deserve appreciation क्योंकि हम सब to achieve what we achieve, we put in a lot of hard work. So thank you for all the love that Shagun has gotten, and also thank you for loving Divyanka because she was fabulous as Ishita.
And Anita, that was all from my side. Thank you so much for joining. It was lovely chat with you, and all the very best for the show. You're gonna kill it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.